Hey, it's me.
Guys, photographer. Photographer na naman. Ikaw. Picture ka. Ay, picture tayo.
Layo ka pa, Rosella. Layo. Yan.
Nang solo at kasama ang family pwede.
Ay, wow. Siyempre.
Ba, ano po yung tape?
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Sino yun? May picture po sila. Dito na kami sa convention sa Mata Paul. Ito po yung mga gamit namin. What is this?
It's candle and lamp.
Candle
lighting. Lightning.
Lightning. And the pin. My pin. Okay.
I hope Bianca's here with us.
Yes.
English po.
Nag-i-English yarn. Bakit magkakaping feeling na English na tayo?
Gusto mo may bang tayo?
Ha? Stop mo na yan! Hello guys. Yan dun po kami mamaya. Ay! Sino to? Ganda naman this girl. Ay! Ang ganda!
Si Ashley kapag stranger. Ash, miss.
Stranger kay. Don't talk to stranger.
Miss, ang ganda mo naman, miss. Ay, ganyan.
Ay, hindi.
Ano ngayon, hindi siya tatawa for today's video. Hindi siya tatawa ng malakas. Paano yung tawa mo ngayon?
Ano yun? At least hindi malakas. Tatlo nga eh. Arte. Ayoko na.
Sa bahay, may pasak ako. May tulak.
Graduation na to. Isang panibagong biyahe na naman ang tatahakot natin. One that is more challenging, but also full of new opportunities to grow.
Data fixed. A student nurse escalates into a much higher height of his pursuit of quality nursing education. Capping the candlelighting ceremony, class of 2028. BSN 11.
capping, cleaning, and candlelighting ceremonies are part of the tradition and the culture and the profession of nursing, which is both a science and an art. The cap is placed in the head, the compassion, the empathy that we have.
Thank you. That's a very lengthy introduction. President Dr. Gabriel Ariarte, EVP Dr. Lucina Ariarte, VPAA Dr. Charles Brian Ariarte.
Speaker during the CDSGA second capping, pinning, and candlelighting ceremony with the theme Empowered Gabriela Nurses, Thriving Nation, Leading the Future of Health and Development. Dates back to the era of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. At this point, we will be witnessing the highlight of this event, the capping, pinning, and candlelighting ceremony. The light, cap, and pin. The nurse's cap is a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, and skills, marked by professionalism, discipline, and strength of mind and character. It carries with it personal commitment to the nurse. Marie Sapuan Angelita A.
Ayoko, andyan na si Atens.
Toledo, Cherise F. Ungi, Renzi James DC, Sapanza, Maraizen. Altazona, Jenna I.
Bakit ako yung pin? Tsura natin. Lolo, kusot na diri. Guys, dahil yan sa gaw-gaw. Diba? Oo, sobrang kusot. Sobrang tigas. Guys, kahit sa magkatabi ang aking mga ina, ang aking mga parents ay magkatabi.
Now, lesson 1-4. To the legacy of Florence Nightingale. the founder of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale carried her lamp to tend to the wounded soldiers during the Crimean War, lighting the way in everything we do. Candidates, please stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of Florence Nightingale, represented by Professor Agnes M. Lankara. Florence Nightingale, mother of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, had the strongest impact on the field of nursing and healthcare as we know it today. Nurses often find inspiration from Florence and her experiences in nursing. She dedicated her life to the treatment of the sick and frail. Florence Nightingale became universally recognized and known as the pioneer of modern nursing. Dr. Oyartes lights the candles of the first two student nurses. The two student nurses then begin the passing of the light to the rest of the nursing candidates, symbolizing the spread of knowledge, compassion, and service. And for the lighting of candles, Ashley Marie S. San Antonio, student nurse. Dr. Lucina P. Oyarte, our Executive Vice President, then receives the light from the ceremonial candle, representing the institution's leadership and support. Dr. Oyartes lights the candles of the first two student nurses. The two student nurses then begin the passing of the light to the rest of the nursing candidates, symbolizing the spread of knowledge, compassion, and service. For the lighting of candles, Ashley Marie S. San Antonio, student nurse, and Rochelle A. Nique, student nurse. Pledge to be led by Serena May Isabel G. Cabral.
I, please state your name.
I, John Lester Coisona,
solemnly pledge myself before God.
Solemnly pledge myself before God.
And in the presence of this assembly.
And in the presence of this assembly.
To pass my life in purity.
To pass my life in purity.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
And to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous.
I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous.
Serve. For the closing prayer, Professor Lorita S. Onino. spicy. Ba, eto naman mga... Wait lang. Courses. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the day. God bless us all.
Tabi na pa sa tabi. Yan, di may ganito nasa baba. Wala. Tatlong pusahan. Ito yung 5,000.
Busy manood yung isa. Samuel? Samantha? Oh, cheers! Video to? Ay, video po na. Video. O, sayo na lang kayo. Ate Ansho, anong gusto niyo? Ate Ansho, bangan ko. Oo, bangan niyo nga. Sino kaya yun? Piminulog yun. Hindi ko nakita yun. Kala ko ano sasabihin eh. Kala ko may sasabihin. Cheater. Cheater. Kala ko
You got shiny friends since you left town. A tiny screen's the only place I see you.
Dapat hindi na makasal ng isa. Dapat yung pagkulat dito.
Ano yan? Parang lumanding bigla sa ulo.
Nagbuhat kami, kala ko. Kaya nung isa.
Ayun o, sila o, ayun sila yung siyo.
Ano si Jan sila? Lima sila?
Oh, lima sila magbabarka.
Sana? Charot mo na. Walang ballpen.
Meron pong ballpen.
Wala pang ballpen.
Wala pang ballpen na din. Yung ballpen ko nandito.
Ballpen. Wala ng tinta. Iwan ko na sila.
Kita mo yan pala.
Ha? Ay, hindi iba kinuha na.
Hindi na tayo.
Uwi na.
Ano ba yun?
Okay na, hindi na kami private. Oh, picture guys.